The moment I saw this necklace, I knew it was giving main character energy. Unboxing the Emily Heart necklace from Ligisol Jewelry. It's even prettier in person. It's made of stainless steel, so it's water resistant and tarnish free, perfect for everyday wear. That soft pink heart adds such a feminine, dreamy touch. It's delicate but still stands out. It's one of those pieces that makes even a simple outfit feel effortlessly elegant. Would you wear the pink heart or go for another color?